Hello students, today we will learn chapter number 2. Name of the chapter is The Park for Kids. Story is about children who were in a park and enjoying the evening. In the first line you can see about the lesson. This is a lesson about the scene from the children's park where the children are playing merrily in the evening and enjoying. So, we need to understand the meaning of the word merrily. So, the word merrily means excited. They are having fun. They are having too much fun playing in the park. They are having their evening in a much excited way. So, they are enthralled, you can say. Tell they are having. So, merrily means মজা পাওয়া খুব বেশি মজা করে খুব বেশি তারা খেলাধুলা করতে গিয়ে তারা খুব বেশি আরাম পায় মজা লাগে তারা সময়টা খুব সুন্দরভাবে কাটে so let us begin the chapter it is evening time it is evening time so naturally students children used to play at the evening look up at the sky it is almost orange in color the sun looks like an orange ball going down behind the trees. So, naturally, during evening time, when we look up at the sky, we find the sun as a big orange ball, isn't it? And it goes down behind the trees. So, these are the scenes we find during evening. The children are ready to go to their respective houses. When sun goes down, it becomes dusk, it starts to become night. So during this time children after having fun in park and in playing field students naturally for their studies they are picking up their belongings and saying goodbye to their respective friends. So each and there are many children each other goodbye, they are bidding goodbye to their friends. The birds are also going back to their nests. So every natural beings used to go back to their homes. Birds were also going to their nests. The name of the bird's house is called nests. They are chirping happily and calling out to each other with great pleasure. So chirping means they were making sounds. Okay, when birds used to go here and there, they used to chirp, they used to call each other, and they were very happy and they were having pleasure flying high in the sky. A small kitten is lost in between. She is running here and there in the park. So the children found a small kitten. The kitten is the baby of a cat, isn't it? And she was crying helplessly, meow meow. The sound of a kitten, they used to make sounds as meow meow. So they found the kitten, and she didn't had her mother nearby, so she was helpless. The children saw the kitten. The children see the kitten, crying kitten. Shalini, one of the child's name was Shalini. She picks up the kitten and she stops crying. When Shalini holds up the kitten in her lap, she stops crying. The kitten stops crying. She takes her to her home. So Shalini, another children was crying. So why he was crying? Let us see. So big red ball. So Ramu, when he lost the ball, he started crying, and his friends started to start looking here and there. They find it behind the tree. So they finally found the ball behind the tree. Ramu is happy now. After getting back the ball, Ramu felt happy. He felt happy. He is smiling. He started smiling out of joy when he got his ball back. The gardener comes and tells the children to go home. So every children's park has their caretaker. So gardener normally normally is the caretaker of the children park. Out of the park, they gardener said that it is time to go to home. It is getting dark. So it was getting dark as sun was going down the trees. So the environment at the home. He locks the gate and says good. Children also say good night and leave for home. So after bidding good night to each other, they went back to their home, and the gardener locks the gate of the garden or the park. They smile at the gardener and tell him that they will come tomorrow. And they told the gardener that they will come back tomorrow in the next day. The gardener says, I will wait for you, my kids. So he said that he will be waiting for them to enjoy in the garden. And he by this we end up the story. Thank you.